WaWaKids.
Welcome back, little explorers. Today we're going on a special journey to meet some adorable baby animals and learn what they're called. Cow or calf. First, we meet a baby cow, known as a calf. Calves can stand and walk just an hour after they're born. Calves love to run and play in the fields. Bear Cub. Let's head over to the forest. Look at the cute little bear cubs. Bear cubs are born during winter and stay cozy in their den with mom. They're playful and curious, just like you. Warthog or Piglet. Look at the baby warthog. Baby warthogs are called piglets. Piglets have stripes on their bodies when they're young, which helps them hide in the grass. They love to dig and play in the mud. Foal. Look at these cute little baby horses playing. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals can stand and run a few minutes after they are born. They're very energetic and love a good snuggle with their mama. Tiger Cub. Look at this cute little tiger playing with his mama. Baby tigers are called cubs. These cubs learn to hunt by playing with their siblings and their mama. They are born with blue eyes, which slowly changes to gold as they get older. Chick. Meet the baby chicken, or chick. Chicks start pecking at food as soon as they hatch, and they love to follow their mother around the farmyard. They love to eat grains, fruits, and vegetables. Joey. Let's hop on over to see the baby kangaroo, called a joey. Joeys live in their mother's pouch until they're big enough to hop on their own. Joeys are as big as a jelly bean when they are born. Chick. Here we have the penguin. Baby penguins are also called chicks. Penguin chicks stay in groups called creches to keep warm. They're super fluffy when they're born, but when they become adults, their feathers become harder and stronger to make them waterproof and help them float. Blue whale calf. Let's dive into the ocean to see the blue whale. Just like cows, baby whales are called calves. These calves are the biggest babies on Earth. Blue whale calves can weigh up to 3 tons when they are born. Cotton-top Tamarin, or infant. Let's swing through the treetops to meet the baby Cotton-top Tamarin, also called an infant. These tiny monkeys love to cling to their parents as they leap from tree to tree. These little guys grow to be about the same size as a squirrel. Cheetah Cub. Look at these curious little cheetah cubs. Cheetah cubs have a long, fluffy mane that helps them hide in the grass. They're super fast, even when they're just learning to run. Foxkit. Look at this cute baby red fox. The special name for a baby fox is a kit. Fox kits are born with blue eyes, which change to gold as they grow. They're very playful and love exploring.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time on WaWaKids.